Here we outline an approach for embedding content and how we applied it to a mathematics unit in Foundation Studies. In consultation with the lecturer, the following page was developed and made available to students on their unit's Leo page. Generic and topic-specific resources created by ASU were aligned to the weekly learning objectives and teaching content for the unit throughout the semester. These resources covered a range of media, including mathematical concept summaries in PDFs, workshop slideshows, short lessons in interactive H5Ps, and Excel simulations. This resource is an example of an Excel simulation. It is a self-contained module for introducing calculus, a topic that is traditionally difficult for students to grasp, as it contains both complex formula and principles with little contextualization. The simulation is aimed at developing an intuitive understanding of the concept. It has two forms of interactivity. Firstly, it is a self-directed lesson, which uses the arrow buttons to navigate. This includes features like changing equations as the student progressively works through the lesson. At various points along this journey, the students are invited to make use of additional forms of interaction. In this case, they take control of a variable, raising and lowering it within some predefined limits, as they explore the leverage and impact their own changes have on the graph, equations, and results. This type of interactivity is intended to shore up the zone of proximal development before launching into new information that stands on these concepts. By linking the visual, the mathematical, and instructions, and by giving students choices to integrate their knowledge into their understanding, we hope to facilitate a more contextualized and intuitive understanding of the concept.